What's up, guys? Once again, welcome to beloved YouTube channel Exam Strategy. Friends, we were studying chemistry chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. And while reading that chapter and understanding some interesting topics of that chapter, we reached to a topic named matter. We understood about matter. We also classified matter into two types that were mixture and pure substances. We learned about mixture and the topic remaining was pure substances. So friends, in this video we gonna learn pure substances. Not only this, we will also learn about physical properties of matter and also about chemical properties of matter. We will also learn about mass and weights. It means we gonna cover many important topics of some basic concepts of chemistry in this video. Therefore, this video should be watched to the full length. Without wasting your precious time, I will now start my video. So, pure substances. Friends, as its name indicates pure, it is obviously 100% pure. This, these pure substances are composed of atoms and molecules. Constituent particles of pure substances have fixed composition. Okay? Its constituent particles cannot be separated by physical methods. This is the property of pure substances, and this is the only property of pure substances. What? That its consequent particles cannot be separated by simple physical method. To separate its consequent particles, we need higher level chemical methods. Now let's classify pure substances. We classify pure substances into two types, that are elements and compounds. So let's first learn about elements. So particles of elements contain only one type of atoms. Okay, the elements contain only one type of atom. It means uniform composition. Their composition is uniform. Their particles contain only one type of atoms. For example of elements are sodium, copper, silver, hydrogen. Okay, these are some common example of elements. Now let's rush to our next topic, that is compounds. So, the pure substances containing two or more elements is called compounds. You know elements, but the pure substance which contain two or more elements are called compounds. Constituents of a compound can be separated by chemical methods. Yes, the constituents of a compound can be separated by chemical method. Okay friends, this was compound. Now let's rush to the next topic of our video, that is properties of matter. Friends, matter has two type of properties, that are physical properties and chemical properties. Let's first understand about physical properties. So friends, physical properties of matter are those which can be identified without changing composition of matter. You have learned a lot about physical properties, and you know that physical properties can be identified without changing composition of matter. For example, the color. If you want to check the color of the mobile you are holding in your hand, will you change its composition? Will you first broke it, or will you first boil it? No, you can easily identify its color without changing its composition. Therefore, it is called physical properties. For example, color, order, melting point, and density. This can be changed without changing composition and therefore called physical properties. Now let's move to chemical properties. So friends, chemical properties of a substance are those which can be identified by changing composition of the substance. It is just opposite of physical properties. Yes, just opposite. As physical properties can be observed without changing the composition, chemical properties can only be observed by changing the composition. Okay, now some example of chemical properties. Combustibility. If you want to check the combustibility of a substance, you have to first burn it, and then you can know that how much fuel does this substance contain. That is called combustibility. These are some examples of chemical properties. Now let's rush to our next topic, that is measurement of physical quantities. We cannot measure chemical quantities, therefore we measure physical quantities. To measure physical quantities, we have some standards, that is SI units. Okay friends, the physical, what are physical properties? Physical properties is its shape, its height. We can measure the height of a substance by its length. Yes, you have to measure length in meter and you will know the height. It means we have identified physical properties by using the unit meter. Okay, so friends, this is how we check physical properties, by using some fundamental quantities like length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay friends, these are some SI units by which we check physical properties of a substance. Now let's rush to our next topic, that is mass and weight. Friends, let me tell you that whatever I teach is based on NCRT. You can now also even check the NCRT. Every topic I have explained is mentioned in NCRT. Only the thing is I have made it simple so that you can understand it more betterly. So friends, for this effort, please subscribe my channel, please like my video. So let's come on the topic, what is mass. Friends, mass is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. Mass is usually measured in grams or kilograms. The definition is very simple and clear, that mass is a measure of the amount of matter, means how much matter a substance contains. That is, its measurement is mass. The mass is measured in kilogram or gram. Now let's rush to the weight. Let's understand what is weight. Weight is the measure of the effect of gravity. That is effect. I'm sorry for that. Weight is a measure of the effect of gravity upon an object. Okay, friends. We learned about mass and weights. So let's revise. Mass is the amount of matter and weight is the effect of gravity. Mass is measured in kilogram and weight can be also measured in kilograms. So friends, by this we have reached to the end of our video. If you like my explanation, please like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you love my video, share my video. Okay friends, only this much in this video. Let's meet in the next video, in which we will learn more interesting topics of our chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. At the end of the video, I will advise you to note the things which we have learnt in this video so that you can remember them for the long time. So friends, our video is over. Goodbye and take care.